Humanity, I love you all with all my heart and might. I'm Jam Jose Alonso Molina. I just published my second manuscript. I just got my book completed as a manuscript. And I decided to, using my method, flip flip it. So I'm submitting my manuscript to all these publishing houses, right? Penguin Random House and everyone else. So I want to do it as a sci-fi. Now I move from objective well-being and objective reality to fantasies and illusions, right? Sci-fi. So because this is this new book called Sunsons, it has 4 volumes. So volume 1 is this manuscript that I just uploaded, 150 pages. Same text, visual, but it's sci-fi. But it's the manuscript without the visuals, the first draft of the manuscript. So the publishing houses would, do the editing work with me. But because I flip it around, I'm going to do it myself as well, the way I did with my first book, but I'm going to also do it starting as a manuscript. So you can go to my website, findingpurpose.co.nz/samsons.pdf. And then you can read it, or just go to the website and see it and read the manuscript. It's there. You can download it as a PDF. Because if you like it, then you can also do the visuals yourself. Things like that is public, but I'm changing the way things are done and demonstrating that we can be successful and great, doing things our way. In this case, my way. So the book's name is Sunsons, and obviously it's by me, Jose Alonso Molina. And the genre is sci-fi. I'm just reading the cover page. The format is a visual book, as all my books, and this one I finalized it on the 7th of April 2026. So, but I was, doing a few other things. So the format is a book of the book is visual. The page on the left is text in large bold fonts, and the page on the right is a visual sequence best describing the text on the left, because it's how the human eye operates. And then volume 1 equals Sunsons, which is this one. And then I just, as a, appetizer, I put there as a prelude, I put there volume 2, 3, and 4, and the names of them, Sunsons, the source code, which is the next book. And then volume 3, Sunsons Syntax Codex, which is the third book. And then Sunsons Second Folk, which is the fourth book. So as you can see, it's 4 volumes for this story. But the first book is the one I'm going to narrate to you in the next, subsequent videos, and have the playlists and all that. And it will be that. It will be me talking about it. I'm going to read a couple of pages because it's short text. It's not massive, because remember, the first book was mostly, but this one is, I'm adding a little bit more text. But the visual will be on its own. It won't have text on the visual. So you see, it's like the visual is best described by the text, but then when you have some background and context and you look at the visual and say, oh, you can fill in the gaps with your own imagination. Fantasies and illusions is sci-fi. But you look at the visual, which is essentially the best representation of the text on the left, that you read and it's short. So you'll see what I mean. So some videos will be shorter than the others because it's less text, or we'll see how it goes. But I want to keep it essentially as short as possible so people can enjoy it. Humanity, I love you all with all my heart and all my mind. So this is the manuscript of Sunsons, Volume 1. The book is Sunsons.